Welcome. Today, we're exploring the journey from monolithic applications to event-driven microservices. As businesses demand faster innovation and greater agility, traditional monolithic systems are giving way to more flexible, scalable architectures. In this video, we'll break down why this shift is happening, the challenges organizations face, and how event-driven microservices are transforming the way modern applications are built and operated. We'll also highlight real-world examples from leading companies who have successfully made this transition. Let's dive in and see how the future of application architecture is unfolding. This video is designed for IT leaders, architects, and practitioners who want to understand how to leverage event-driven architectures for real-time business applications. We'll cover the pitfalls of monolithic and traditional microservices approaches, introduce the concept of event-driven microservices, and walk through a step-by-step modernization strategy. Plus, you'll see how 5 organizations across different industries used Confluent to decouple their systems, accelerate development, and better respond to customer needs. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap for your own modernization journey. Monolithic applications were once the standard, built as single large systems with a unified codebase and database. While this approach worked in the past, it now leads to slow release cycles, higher risk of failure, and increased operational costs. Even minor changes require full redeployment, making it hard to innovate quickly. As businesses grow and customer demands evolve, these tightly coupled systems become bottlenecks, hindering agility and scalability. That's why breaking the monolith is crucial for organizations aiming to stay competitive in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Microservices offer a compelling alternative. By breaking applications into smaller, independent services, teams can develop, deploy, and scale each component separately. This isolation of complexity enables faster innovation, greater flexibility in technology choices, and more agile teams. However, transitioning to microservices isn't without its challenges. Organizations must carefully plan their migration to avoid disrupting mission-critical operation. In the next scenes, we'll explore the communication pitfalls that can arise and how to overcome them. One of the biggest hurdles in microservices adoption is inter-service communication. Traditionally, REST APIs and messaging queues have been used. REST APIs provide synchronous one-to-one communication but can tightly couple services and introduce cascading failures. Messaging queues offer asynchronous communication but often lack governance and scalability. As organizations scale to hundreds or thousands of services, these approaches can lead to reliability issues, security concerns, and increased technical debt. Let's see why a new approach is needed. Event-driven microservices represent a new paradigm. Here, data is treated as events and services are fully decoupled. This autonomy allows each service to evolve independently, increasing developer velocity and reliability. Unlike REST APIs, event-driven systems avoid tight coupling, and unlike traditional messaging queues, they offer better scalability and governance. The result: faster release cycles, improved fault tolerance, and reduced operational costs. Organizations can now build highly reliable, scalable applications that are ready for the demands of the digital age. Adopting event-driven microservices brings 3 major benefits. First, it increases developer velocity by removing inter-service bottlenecks and dependencies. Teams can connect to any system, maintain data quality, and scale faster. Second, it enables highly reliable and fault-tolerant systems, supporting disaster recovery and high availability. Third, it reduces technical debt and operational costs, allowing organizations to migrate their data infrastructure at their own pace. These advantages make event-driven architectures a smart choice for modern enterprises. Migrating from a monolith to event-driven microservices requires a thoughtful, incremental approach. Rather than rewriting everything at once, organizations typically refactor one module at a time. This reduces risk and avoids major disruptions. For example, a retailer might start by splitting out the catalog service, redirecting reads and writes to new microservices, and gradually building data pipelines to cloud destination. This step-by-step process ensures data integrity and allows teams to modernize at their own pace. Let's walk through a practical example. Imagine an e-commerce application with catalog, order, and payment services all sharing a single database. The first step is to route reads to a new catalog microservice. Next, writes are redirected and data is streamed using Confluent connectors. Over time, other modules are modernized and data pipelines are built to cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP. This approach allows organizations to gradually transform their architecture without disrupting business operations. eBay Korea, one of the largest e-commerce companies in Korea, faced challenges with its legacy monolithic platforms. By adopting an event-driven microservices architecture with Confluent, they cut their go-to-market time in half and achieved zero downtime. The new platform handles 1 million transactions per second with no data loss, thanks to multi-region clusters and robust disaster recovery. This transformation enabled eBay Korea to scale rapidly and respond to market demands with agility. Vin Huang Asset Management, a leading Malaysian firm, modernized its operations by integrating siloed legacy systems using Confluent's real-time data streaming. By moving transaction data to a Snowflake data warehouse and leveraging stream processing, Vin Huang gained a unified view of customers and reduced cloud data warehouse costs. Data that once took a data access is now available in seconds, enabling faster, more informed business decisions. Storyblocks, a fast-growing media company, struggled with technical debt from its monolithic application and REST API-based microservices. By adopting an event-driven architecture with Confluent and GCP, they decoupled their services and built a robust data pipeline. This enabled faster issue resolution, more agile development, and a true digital transformation. The new architecture supports advanced features like machine learning and provides a foundation for future growth. Udo Bank, Australia's first challenger bank for SMEs, needed to replace complex point-to-point integrations as it launched new CRM and loan origination systems. With Confluent Cloud, Judo seamlessly integrated its systems, enabling near real-time data processing and improved data availability. The event-driven platform now serves as the single source of truth, supporting the bank's digital transformation and future growth. Recursion, a biotech company, faced data bottlenecks as its experimental data volumes grew. By migrating to an event-driven architecture with Confluent Cloud, Recursion minimized administrative overhead and accelerated drug discovery. The new platform processes massive datasets in minutes, enabling faster iterations and supporting the company's mission to bring new treatments to clinical trials. This case highlights the power of event-driven microservices in data-intensive industries. Confluent's data streaming platform, built on Apache Kafka, is at the heart of modern event-driven architectures. It decouples microservices, eliminates bottlenecks, and enables real-time data processing. Whether you're breaking up a monolith or starting fresh, Confluent provides scalability, security, and performance. Organizations can deliver rich digital experiences in real-time backend operations, meeting the demands of today's digital economy. With Confluent, the path to innovation is clearer and more achievable than ever.